Hey everyone, today we're unboxing the NuPhy Node100 in Lunar White, equipped with red Nano linear switches. This is a full-size, low-profile mechanical keyboard with tri-mode connectivity, RGB dot matrix lighting, and a surprisingly premium build. Let's get straight into it. Packaging is clean and minimal. In the box, you also get a quick start guide, USB-C cable with USB-A adapter for wired use and charging, keycap/switch puller, 6 extra keycaps, and the NuPhy Node100. And first impressions, it looks sleek and modern. Lunar White has this soft matte finish that feels high-end. This is a full-size layout, so you're getting an ample-sized numpad, which is great for productivity, spreadsheets, or creative work. The keycaps are double-shot PBT, low profile and nicely sculpted. They feel smooth but not slippery, and they should resist shine over time. The Node100 also uses a gasket mount, which is something you don't always see on low-profile boards. That adds a bit of flex and helps soften the typing feel and sound. One of the standout features here is the RGB dot matrix LED display. It's subtle, not over the top, and you can customize it using NuPhy IO. Through the software, you can also customize the touch bar, adjust lighting effects, and fine-tune how the keyboard behaves. This keyboard supports tri-mode connection, 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth 5.0, or wired via USB-C. There's also a 3000 mAh battery, so you can expect long battery life even with RGB on. Now let's do a quick typing test so you can hear how the red Nano switches sound. As you can hear, the red Nano switches are smooth and linear, with a clean, soft sound. Thanks to the gasket mount and low-profile design, it's quiet but still satisfying, great for shared spaces. Overall, the NuPhy Node100 delivers a premium, low-profile experience with a full-size layout, smooth switches, strong wireless performance, and tasteful RGB. How does it sound to you? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. Use code AUNBOXING for a discount on any NuPhy products. Shop link in the description.